OraSure Canine Babesiosis Multiplex Real-Time PCR Kit is to detect canine babesiosis by testing the Babesia parasite antigen in blood. What is babesiosis? Babesia infection or babesiosis refers to a tick-borne infection due to a protozoal parasite. Babesia invades mammalian red blood cells causing anemia. How does a dog contract babesiosis? Babesiosis is primarily spread through the bite of an infected tick. Multiple tick species can carry the disease. Recent studies show that Babesia may be transmitted transplacentally to unborn puppies in the uterus of their mothers. How is babesiosis diagnosed? Diagnosis of babesiosis using a real-time PCR machine. The OraSure Canine Babesiosis Multiplex Real-Time PCR Kit. The components of the kit and user manual will guide to set up the reaction, DNA binding fluorescent reporters used to monitor the real-time PCR reaction, based on the fluorescence signal of the reporter dye generated during each amplification cycle, helps us to diagnose the babesiosis, which is rapid, accurate, 100% sensitivity and specific to Babesia and easy to operate.